Hey everyone! Today, we're discussing a life-changing topic. How to stop smoking. We'll give you a step-by-step guide on how you can quit smoking for good. Trust me, it's doable, and with the right tools, you can absolutely succeed. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Understanding your motivation. The first step in quitting smoking is understanding why you want to quit. It might sound simple, but this is critical. Why do you want to stop smoking? Is it for your health, for your family, to save money, or maybe a combination of things? Writing down your reasons can really help here. It's also scientifically backed. A study published by the American Psychological Association in 2015 found that people who clearly identify and remind themselves of their motivations are more likely to successfully quit. So grab a pen and paper and write down why quitting smoking is important to you. Keep this list handy because, believe me, you'll need it when cravings hit. Next, set a quit date. This gives you something concrete to work toward and helps prepare you mentally. Don't make it too far off, about 2 weeks is perfect. According to research from the Mayo Clinic, having a specific quit date increases your chances of success because it allows you to make a plan and gear up for it, both physically and emotionally. Mark it on your calendar and let people around you know. This can create accountability, and we'll talk more about the importance of support later. Now, it's time to identify your smoking triggers. A lot of times, smoking is connected to certain activities or emotions. Maybe you light up after meals, when you're stressed, or even when you're just bored. Knowing what these triggers are is key. The National Institute on Drug Abuse tells us that understanding triggers is one of the most effective ways to break the smoking habit because once you know what drives your cravings, you can work on ways to avoid or manage them. So, jot down every moment you feel the urge to smoke. Is it when you're with certain friends? During your commute? After coffee? Awareness is the first step to change. Alright, so now that you know your triggers, what do you do when they pop up? Replace smoking with a healthier activity. The British Medical Journal reported that people who swapped smoking with another activity, like chewing gum, going for a walk, or even deep breathing exercises, had better success rates at quitting. It distracts you and satisfies that urge to do something when you'd usually reach for a cigarette. So, pick something to do whenever a craving hits. You can carry gum or mints with you, try mindfulness apps, or drink water. Some people use a stress ball to keep their hands busy. Find what works for you. Get support. Don't go through this alone. There's a reason why many studies, including one from the U.S. Surgeon General's office, emphasize the importance of having a support network. Tell your family and friends about your plan to quit. If you're comfortable, join a support group or online forum where you can connect with others who are quitting. Sometimes, just having someone to talk to during tough moments makes all the difference. There are also apps designed to help you quit smoking by tracking your progress and providing encouragement, like Quit Genius or Smoke Free. Having some form of emotional or even professional support increases your chances of staying smoke-free. Next, let's talk about nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT. If going cold turkey sounds too overwhelming, that's okay. NRT can help you manage withdrawal symptoms and curb cravings. This includes things like nicotine patches, gum, lozenges, or inhalers. According to a study published by the Cochrane Library, people using NRT are about 50 to 70% more likely to quit than those who don't. You can get these over the counter at your local pharmacy, and they give your body a small, controlled amount of nicotine without all the harmful chemicals found in cigarettes. Now, let's be real, there are going to be withdrawal symptoms. This might include things like irritability, anxiety, headaches, or trouble concentrating. But don't worry, these are all temporary. The worst of the symptoms usually peak around 3 days after quitting and start to fade after 2 weeks. Dr. Neil Benowitz, a leading researcher on nicotine dependence, notes that knowing what to expect can make this process a little easier. It's like running a marathon, the discomfort is real, but it's also manageable if you're mentally prepared. Drink plenty of water, get some exercise, and make sure you're getting enough sleep to combat the withdrawal effects. Finally, reward yourself for hitting milestones. Every smoke-free day, week, or month is a big deal. According to the American Cancer Society, after just 24 hours of quitting, your risk of a heart attack already begins to decrease. And after 1 year, your risk of heart disease is cut in half compared to someone who's still smoking. Use that money you're saving from not buying cigarettes to treat yourself, maybe a nice dinner, a day out with family, or a new hobby. Celebrate your progress. It'll keep you motivated to stay smoke-free. So, there you have it, your step-by-step guide on how to stop smoking for good. Remember, quitting isn't easy, but it's one of the best things you can do for your health, your family, and your future. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you know who's trying to quit smoking. And of course, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own quitting journey. You've got this, one step at a time.